Here's how to edit auto captions in Premiere Pro. It could be tricky if you're brand new to the program. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Enable auto captions. First, go to Window greater than text to open the text panel. Then click Create New Caption and select Auto Transcribe. Premiere Pro will automatically generate captions for your video. Step 2. Review and edit captions. Once the transcription is complete, you'll see your captions in the text panel. To edit them, simply click on any text and start typing. You can fix errors, change timing, or adjust the caption text. Step 3. Adjust caption timing. To adjust the timing, click on the caption in the timeline and drag the edges to make them longer or shorter. You can also click on the caption box in the text panel and move the captions to the right spot. Step 4. Style and format. Captions. At this point, your captions should be on track C1. You can customize the look of your captions by going to the Essential Graphics panel here. You can change the font size, color, and positioning to match your video style. But first, you'll have to highlight all of track C1, click Graphics and Titles, then hit Upgrade Caption to Graphic. That's how you edit auto captions in Premiere Pro. Review, adjust the timing, and customize them to fit your style. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more editing tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.